Well, we made it home. It's... what day is it? There we go. Where's my bed? Oh, did it fall down? Well, first.
Hang on a minute.
P&O quality.
Absolutely fantastic.
Look at the beds.
Oh, no, mind you. Right.
Ah, there you go. See, you're knackering it up already. See? Premium. There's Dad's bed. I take it, that's my bed.
That's your bed.
Huh.
Put it on video.
Yeah. So what do you reckon of the Honda, Dad?
It's fantastic.
Love
A bit
it.
bumpy,
Yeah, but it's alright.
but it's okay. She's bumpy, but she's good.
Oh dear. Let's have a look at the bog. Ah, look at that. It's a bit flash, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Ah, wait up. Whoa. There's a step up to that, so you have to watch that after you've been at the pub. Ah,
Nice, dude.
shower. Yeah, just tell you what.
Bit better than the one to go across.
Yeah. Right, let's unpack. Right, so we're on the ferry to Zeebrugge from Hull. Been a lovely day actually. First day my dad's been in the car. He absolutely loves it, so that's good. Car's running fine. It was only 100 mile here anyway. It's parked on the ramp, you know, the adjustable, the ramp that goes, hydraulic ramp that goes up and down. So, in the car, that was what I forgot to say as well. In the queue on the way here, there was a Lancia Delta Integrale. As soon as I saw it, I was straight to like a proper car nerd. They started talking to the owners, and they're off to a rally in Zeebrugge. So, safe trip for them. Looks like a good safe trip. We're literally just moving out of port now, so I think it's going to be. We've already had a couple of beers, so a couple of beers. Meals booked for 7. The room's good, and yeah, so hopefully it'll be alright. So a bit of EGR about me starting on that. but yeah, so bloody hell, we pressed on there. Right, yeah, so we're off to Magny Cours. Weather's good. The first trip out since I broke my neck, isn't it really?
It is, yeah.
So I've not been racing. So yeah, so we are off to Zeebrugge. We'll get there in the morning about 8:45. Or 7:45, 8:45, whichever it is.
Yeah.
Then it's about a 5.5 hour, 6 hour drive to Magny Cours. And yeah, that's it really. So yeah, buying Paris, yeah, we're going to Paris, we'll get some pizza in Paris. So me and
Yeah, so better get going.
knock off for tonight. We'll see you in the morning, go and have some food, and the Pride of Rotterdam.
Slightly bigger than this.
Slightly big, I bet that's a bit posh. Say ta-ra, Dad.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Right, so we made it to Magny Cours. Went through Paris with the crazy scooter riders and the bike riders. We went through the tunnels where, unfortunately, Princess Diana got killed. Actually, never knew that until my dad actually told me when we were driving through them. Actually infilled all the concrete panels now. Used to be concrete columns there, but they've infilled them with just concrete now, so it's just flat. I presume as a result of the accident. We did a good time. I think we set off at about 9:15 by the time we got off the ferry, and we got here at 4:15. We had a couple of stops, filled up a couple of, well, every time we got to our tank we filled it up just in case there wasn't any service stations. You never know where they are around here. But I love the drive down here on the motorways. It's 130 kilometres an hour most of the way, so it's about 85 miles an hour in this. We have got a wheel bearing on the way out. We did notice that as soon as we got off the ferry that the wheel bearing started rumbling. That was sort of law, so we'll get that done when we get home. But no, massive thank you to Shaun Muir and the Milwaukee SMR racing team, the Aprilia team, letting us in the garage. We've not seen them since 2001. I was about 13, 14 when my dad used to sponsor them. Met him at the hotel, he's staying at our hotel, and let us straight in the garages with the riders and the bikes, watching the racing from the pit lane. Brilliant experience, and making me get the itch to want to go racing again, but there you go, probably won't happen. But yeah, so first day was good. Both bikes crashed in qualifying, which unfortunately left them a little bit further back on the grid. They got the rain was terrible on the first day, on Saturday, sorry. So, but no, Lavington managed to get 6 in the end. I think Salvadori got 12th and 13th. So yeah, so today's Sunday, the last day. So we're gonna go. We've had our breakfast, go down the pit lane, and then see the boys, watch some racing, and then head home later on. So catch you later. Well, we finally made it home. It's Monday and I think we made it home at about 12:15, 20 past 12. It's been a long 4 days. 4 days? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5 days, we're on the 5th day. It's been a long 5 days, but well worth it. I had a really good laugh. Me and my dad haven't spent any time together since the accident really. We always used to spend every week, about 2-3 weekends a month together with the racing. So it was, it's about time that we had a bit of time together. But yeah, what a weekend. Unexpected visit to watching the racing down in the pits with Shaun Muir and the Milwaukee Aprilia racing team. Absolutely massive thank you to Shaun for that one. The driving over there, I tell you what, the UK needs to take a lesson from the French about the roads. Roadworks only get coned off where there actually is roadworks, which actually stops traffic jams. Friday was scorching for the practices. Saturday morning completely changed. For qualifying, we actually met up with Shaun Muir, who's the owner of SMR, Milwaukee Aprilia Racing. We met up with him in our hotel and he let us in. He took us down to his pit garage and we watched the qualifying from there. It was teaming it down. A couple of crashes from both lads in the qualifying, which is a bit of a shame. But the first race on Saturday was wet. Eugene, both of them got a really slow start. They're struggling for grip. But Eugene managed to come back a really good 6th in the end. And then Sunday, yesterday, it was dry but freezing cold. And even I, as a racer, I used to hate them conditions where it was cold. It was good when it was dry, but then if it was cold, you struggle to get temperature into the rear tyre and the front tyre. Really, you struggle for grip anywhere, which the lads were struggling with. But I think the grid positions, World Superbikes have a mixed grid position. I think the winner of the first race drops back, and then whoever came 6th in the 6th, 7, 8, 9. It works out in a way, reverse kind of grid. So Laverty's on third position for the race on the Sunday. Got an amazing start away with the leaders, which he needed, and unfortunately, probably because it did start raining, it was spitting all the way through the Supersport race. But yeah, he came off coming out of the third from last corner, high-sided there, but then Lorenzo, he was flying. He came all the way up to 5th place and up until the last lap, which unfortunately he got a technical problem and had to retire from the race on the last lap. I think 3-4 corners to go, that was it. I know that feeling. One of my bikes packed up last corner, last lap at Brands Hatch, where I had a chance for my first ever podium at Thundersport on the R6, so I know how it feels and it is terrible. But such a shame, especially with all the hard work. Being down there in the pits, obviously totally different world to Thundersport. Being down there in the pit, world class team, the effort that goes in from everyone, no one's sat still, no one's doing nothing, everyone's working constantly, whether it's the mechanics, the managers for the riders, the Pirelli guys, the brake guys, just Ohlins, suspension, everyone's on it all the time, and it was such a shame to see it end that way. But unfortunately that is racing. But again, a massive thanks, Shaun. If you ever need a mechanic, give me a shout. But no, so fantastic weekend. The Integra was faultless, apart from a bearing going. You can just see, can't see the Integra, I think, just behind Roof's car. You can just see the spoiler up behind Roof's car there. There it is. Yeah, apart from the wheel bearing, can't complain. The car was brilliant. It was comfier than the 350Z. I was really surprised. I thought the Recaros would be quite uncomfortable. Everyone used to say how comfortable they were, but I was like, how could a bucket seat be more comfortable? And brilliant, absolutely brilliant. The car was faultless, not that bad on fuel really, and yeah, absolutely loving the Integra. The DC5, can't wait to get it stripped down over winter. There's a few little things that needs doing, a few little bits of paint here and there. I'm going to tart it up a little bit. Wheel bearings need doing, drop links are going to do. But yeah, so yeah, great weekend overall. Nice to spend a bit of time with the old man. Nice to be back with the pets. There's Roro. That's Rosa the cat. Reggie is actually out on a walk at the minute, so can't see him. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, spread the word around, and I think the next video will be up soon. I'll give the car a good service, and yeah, see you soon.
to be my friend. You wouldn't stay, you wanted to leave again. I saw you out, I saw you with all those men. You make me